Paraphasia is a type of speech error commonly associated with aphasia. There are three main types. The first one is verbal paraphasia, also referred to as semantic paraphasia. This is the substitution of the intended word with another word which generally has an associative meaning. For example, someone saying ear instead of nose. Verbal paraphasias are the only type of paraphasias that can also be linked to non-fluent aphasias. They are mainly caused by lesions to the posterior temporal region and/or the head of the caudate nucleus. Verbal paraphasias can be further subdivided into 6 different types. Some of them are coordinate semantic paraphasias, which replace the target word with one that is from the same category, such as tiger for lion. There are also associate semantic paraphasias which replace the target word with one that is related to the target but is not of the same category, like replacing foot with shoe. Additionally, there are superordinate semantic paraphasias which replace a specific target word with a more generalized group to which the target word involves, such as replacing pear with fruit. Also, there are part-whole semantic paraphasias which replace the whole with the part, as in finger for hand, or, conversely, the part with the whole in the case of leg for foot. The second one is phonemic paraphasia, also referred to as phonological paraphasia or literal paraphasia. This is the substitution of one or more sounds in the target word. For instance, if someone says vegetable instead of vegetable or baby for baby, this paraphasia has a rule: it must preserve at least half of the segments and/or the number of syllables of the intended word. If not, it's called neologistic paraphasia. This type of paraphasia is very common in Wernicke's aphasia and conduction aphasia. Phonemic paraphasias are often caused by lesions to the external capsule, extending to the posterior part of the temporal lobe or internal capsule. There are also many types of phonemic paraphasias. Some of them are anticipatory errors. These occur when a sound from later in the word replaces a syllable from earlier in the word, such as papal for apple or lelephone for telephone. Substitution errors. These involve a clear phonological substitution, such as wagon for wagon. Epenthetic errors. These involve the insertion of a segment into the target, as in the case of plants for pants. The third one is neologistic paraphasia. Neologistic paraphasias are substitutions with non-English or gibberish words. There are also various types of neologistic paraphasias. They can be phonologically related to a prior word, a following word, the intended word, or another neologism. And the last one is perseverative paraphasia. This is a type of paraphasia in which the previous response persists and interferes with the retrieval of new responses. It's associated with lesions in the left caudate nucleus.